here, and I am standing at the edge of this hill. I don't know how well the GoPro is depicting it, but it's pretty steep. I've been contemplating this hill for the last 3 years, and I'm going to send it. I'm going to do it. Now there's an easier way down that way. I'm going to go down, turn around by that telephone pole, and come back up it. Oh, wish me luck. Pump, pump. Okay. Whee! I'm a wuss. This is easy. Shit, I went down steeper stuff earlier today. There's a cool spot right by James Creek here. Somebody down there fishing. Alright. First, second. Heck yeah! That was awesome. That was fun. Alright, just a little quickie. Have some fun. Now I get to drive on this shitty, fresh fucking gravel road to home. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, evening, weekend, afternoon, whatever time of day it is. Like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll catch you on the next ride. Peace. Just gravel. It's deep. It sucks. They're grading it. It's dusty. Either could have went the easy way over. Right. The ditch trail, but yeah, don't want to. Anyway, later, guys. Thanks for watching.